So what makes Power Monk unique is it's a broad spectrum of people. It's not elite athletes, it's an even mix of older generation, younger generation, male, female. We're fortunate enough to have 10 air runners. We have over 100 campers. During the next 5 days, what we'll do is cycle those 100 people through the air runner. The protocol that we have for them is essentially getting them comfortable in the very first minute. Start by walking while holding onto the rails, and within about a minute, the entire group is able to run by themselves without holding onto the railing. It's that easy to adapt. We then take them from a easy pace interval and gradually increase that intensity to a fast pace. We want to teach them how to accelerate. We want to teach them how to get the tread up and running at a fastest possible speed, and they find themselves actually at a near sprint pace by the end of that workout. They're doing a VO2 max test on the AirRunner, and it's one of the indicators that is used to measure aerobic fitness. Eventually, the intensity gets so high that their demand for oxygen exceeds what they can supply. Between 10 and 12 minutes, they reach failure and they stop. We've got 100 people coming through here, and I need a product that works every single time and it's consistent. We're trying to create confidence in the groups that come. I got to create that knowledge to build the confidence. And in order to do that, I need a great product. And that's what Assault has done here with this AirRunner.